part two. I took off the heat shield, and this is what's inside there. That's a nice looking transformer. This is all in. I don't see anything missing in there. Believe it or not, I can see it better with this phone than I can. All right, all the heat sinks look good. Transistors look good. I'm looking for a fuse is what I'm actually looking for. But that's what's inside the amp. That's what's inside the amp. And I guess down there is probably where, that's the fuse right there. Oh, how do I get that out of there? That's the fuse. It's there. So we got to pop that down and see what that is. All right. I wish there was an easier way to get to it. I guess I could unscrew the back panel would be a way to get to that. It's funny.